In this three-part series of our Malaysian trip, join me as we explore Kuala Lumpur, where modern skyscrapers meet colorful temples, street food never sleeps, and every corner is vlog-worthy. If you are coming from Manila to Kuala Lumpur, direct flight takes around 3 hours and 28 minutes by air. There are few things to remember if you are going to Kuala Lumpur, and this will save you time. If you are taking the red flight, remember that there are no buses and trains going to KL Central from Kuala Lumpur International Airport.
So nakalabas na ako ng immigration, but the problem is wala pala akong arrival card. So I have to fill it out. So if you are an Asian country, member country, i-click nyo lang yung standard processing kasi free naman yun. So yun lang, medyo natagalan ako doon. Pero okay naman. So ngayon nantay ko na sa carousel yung aking baggage.
After getting my luggage, I went to the arrival hall and looked for the money changer to exchange some peso to ringgit. After that, I went to look for door number 5 where the Grab pickup point is. If you are traveling with a group, better to hire a van pickup so you can save money. Because Kuala Lumpur International Airport is far from the city, it takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour to reach the city. I arrived around 2 a.m. in my hotel in Bukit Bintang. Kindly check the description box for the hotel link and hotel review. Hi guys, today is our first day here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and we are going to explore the city. Let's go!
Now we are outside my hotel here in Sleeping Lion and we are going to do the hop on, hop off bus. And I'm going to walk from my hotel going to the first stop of here in Bukitintang of the hop on, hop off bus. So see you there. Outside my hotel, you can find so many food establishments and restaurants. Okay, by the way, opposite of the hotel is the Orion Tower, and here is the PRX Minara Exchange near. So there's an arrow. I'm going to follow that thing and see you there.
Since it's already lunchtime, I decided to eat first before going to the hop-on, hop-off bus interchange here in Bukit Bintang. So here's my food.
Since this is my first meal here, I ordered nasi goreng ayam kunyit. This is chicken thing. It's just on the other side of my hotel. And this is mango juice or manga. I tasted the mango juice. It's so good. Cost 10. This one for the mango juice it's 10.90 and for this one is 14.90 MYR. So let's try. Mm, so nice. So, if you enjoy the food and walang may akaw.
After my lunch, I continued walking towards the interchange, but unfortunately, I took the wrong turn and was able to go to some sketchy area of Jalan Alur and find this area where there are murals and some paintings on the walls. After a few minutes of being lost, I managed to find my way back to the correct road leading to the hop-on, hop-off bus stop.
Hanap ko din naman, pero Diyos ko, naikot ko na ata ang buong Bukit Bintang kahanap nitong kiosk na to. Sa labas na tong Songgay Wang, hindi SG Wang kasi nakalagay.
Until tomorrow from 9 until 1.
Okay.
Do you have any questions? It's 5 p.m. We have two routes, red line and green line. Red line is 2 hours, green line also 2 hours without getting off.
Okay.
You can change red to green and green to red only at stop number 1.
Yan yung city tour. KL Hop on Hop off city tour. So I took the city route. Then 1 hour daw ito. Then yung kabila naman yung garden route.
This stop is the only interchange for two buses of city tour and garden tour buses. So you can either go to city tour or jump on the next tour, which is the garden tour, which I did. So after finally finding my way back, I hop on the hop on hop off bus. And honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to explore the city. You just sit back, relax, and let the city come to you. The bus is open top, so you get those chef's kiss views, perfect for photos and videos. As we roll through the streets, you pass all the major landmarks, busy roads and hidden corners you'd probably miss if you were walking. There's an audio guide playing in the background, giving quick facts and fun history, so you're learning while sightseeing, so no effort needed. The best part, you can hop off anytime something catches your eye. Explore at your own pace, grab food, take photo, then just hop back on the next bus like nothing happened. No stress, no rushing, no getting lost again, hopefully. If you're short on time or just want a chill way to see the city, this bus tour is super worth it. It's giving tourists but in the best way possible. Let's enjoy the ride and see it for yourselves. For complete bus stop, check the link below on the description.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
So we are going up now to the KL Tower.
As we head downtown, you'll notice the new skyline of Kuala Lumpur coming into view, dominated by the impressive Merdeka 118 Tower. Standing at
Now on our second bus, this is a garden tour bus. So from Songway Plaza, we interchange to another bus. This is the only interchange bus from city tour bus to this garden tour bus. So now we are heading to garden tour. It will take us 2 hours to complete the whole tour. So I will not going to hop on, hop off on each stop, but I will stay on the bus and see for ourselves what will be going to go back next time if ever I want to visit the place again.
Live commentary in English. For your information, the tour start from 9 in the morning and this is filmed every day with the hub wonderful concept. Common site and the place usually crowded with local as well tourists. At night, the main market area.
We are passing by the Italian street or known as Chinatown. As you can see, the houses are like those in Taipan, Macau, Taipa village. And these are examples of the Pernakan houses, old Chinese settlers who moved to Malaysia were the ones pioneered the place. This is a community for the Chinese migrants during that time. This is now the central market. I think it's going to rain.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just arrived stop number 17 Central Market.
I will write down on the description box all the bus stops included in this garden tour.
So this is the little India. So we are passing by the little India.
If you want to learn more about the history of Malaysia, this one is a good stop where you can find all the old cars outside the museum. The nas- This is the National Palace of Malaysia. It is the official residence of the King of Malaysia. This is on the place where I alighted because we were given a 5-minute break before going back to our bus. So I take some photos here.
Just got off from my KL half on half of bus tour. So I'm walking back to my hotel because I want to enjoy the hotel before I leave for tomorrow early in the morning. I will go to Kulmar Tropical and Batu Cave. So let's go back to our hotel now.
And that wraps up day one here in Kuala Lumpur. On the next episode of our Malaysian adventure, we're heading to Kulmar Tropical and the iconic Batu Caves. Don't miss it. If you like this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next episode.